All right, a good Thursday evening out there, everybody. It is almost 10:38 here in about 25 seconds, and we've got a lot of clear skies that have turned into mostly cloudy skies now, but nothing more than a sprinkle out there here locally for the majority of us. Further northward into Oceana County and Newaygo County, there have been some very light showers, sprinkles, something along those lines, but the vast majority not really dealing with any wet weather here this evening. But again, if you're out there in the short term, don't be shocked if you notice a sprinkle on your windshield here tonight. 56 degrees is what we've got in GR presently. Northwest winds around 10 miles per hour, so it is a very mild evening coming after daytime highs that were very spring-like. 67 degrees in GR. Our average for the date is 45, so running over 20 degrees above normal. A little bit cooler along the lakeshore. How about Chicago O'Hare, 73 degrees, sneaking that in. And even Milwaukee to 68. We had some 70s of our own. Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, southward to Three Rivers and Coldwater. Now, those have gone away, obviously, now that we're into darkness. And it is, getting cooler. Upper 40s in northern sections. We've got low to mid 50s here across the heart of the viewing area coming southward to I-94. You see some 50s, and in fact, upper 50s there, Kalamazoo to near Battle Creek, in Battle Creek at 58 degrees. And then southward, looks like majority mid-50s. Going to the bus stop on a Friday morning, we've got mostly cloudy skies. A sunrise waits until 7:49, a sunset at 7:52 there. And these clouds eventually can give rise to a light shower later in the morning, early afternoon. The coverage does not look to be great, though. So it is actually conceivable that we get through the majority of hours, daylight hours, with just kind of overcast skies. Can't rule out a few sprinkles, a light shower, but the bulk of the activity that is to come in here holds off until after it does appear about 6 o'clock in the evening. So as the sun's going down there closer to 8 o'clock, that's when the intensity of the rain will be picking up, and it will be persistent overnight into Saturday morning. There's some chance we may get 3/4 of an inch of rain, perhaps even an inch of rain with this system. It's cooler on Saturday versus what it'll even be tomorrow, and definitely noticeably cooler tomorrow at 48. And the reason why it's cooler on Saturday, even though we're starting to get the rain out of here, still some scattered showers, but lesser than what will be out there tomorrow night, is because we're on the backside of this system, and that brings down cooler air. As the sunshine comes out, though, on Sunday, we can't help but warm up. You get that high late March sun angle to get injected. And even though the sun will be a little bit less prominent on Monday, still some of it out there, 60 degrees, trending a little bit cooler. Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, there are some signs that blocking over Greenland, which means high pressure over Greenland, which is downstream of us, that could cause us to have this trough in the eastern United States. A little bit more so here late March and early April. So if that's the case, we could actually have some cooler times ahead. We'll see how that plays out. We can't help but warm up every now and then, but there are some hints off the models that there could be some cooler days ahead of us here going through the next few weeks. Little sprinkle action, even showers, but the majority of that is actually north of our viewing area right now. We'll zoom it in, and you'll notice that there are some green colors. So, yeah, I noticed a sprinkle recently just stepping outside here at Fox 17, but it's just not a whole lot going on. And you continue to see a little sprinkle overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Wouldn't be much more than that. The real rain, though, arrives after, as I say, about 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. It'll lift northward in here and just pinwheel on top of us for a number of hours going into Saturday morning. Once we get into Saturday, though, it's more of a hit and miss pattern of rain. It comes, it goes, but still that prospect even into the late afternoon, I think, before it completely gets out of here. Those purple colors, yeah, that's the signature of snow mixing in. There will be no accumulations of snow, I assure you of that. Even if we did see a snowflake, it would come and then the system would be out of here. Milder days Sunday and Monday. Next chance of rain later next Tuesday into Wednesday. Stick around, more news after the break.